Hey, what up guys? Today we're going to show you our new USB cable. It's a 3-in-1 cable combining Type-C charger, mini USB for Android and iOS phones, and as well with the male connector of reversible USB charger. So now let's take a look of the cables. We have 3 colors for your options: the pink one, black, and white. Well, let's take a look at the white one. This is the male connector, and it is a reversible one connector, so you can plug into a USB supply device both way. Right? And this mini USB is compatible with both Android phones and iPhones. And over here you have a Type-C connector. So with this top facing up, you can connect it with the standard Android mobile phone, like this. When you reverse it, you can connect with an iPhone. And then when you plug the two together, there you have a Type-C connector, right? So you can plug in with phones with USB-C port. And there you are. So the 3 and the reversible male connector all in one together for you. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.